Hello everybody, Roberto from CiaoWeb. In this video tutorial I would like to show you how to build a testimonial page in your WordPress website using the Toolset Plugins. In this case, types, CRED and Views. You may be wondering why this WordPress backend looks so simplified. For the purpose of this tutorial I chosen to just hide some unnecessary menu links, and just to let you know, I have used a very nice plugin called Menu Editor Pro. But let's go back to this tutorial, and then I will show you the steps I'm going to follow to build this testimonial system. First of all, I will create a custom post type with the types plugin. After that, I will create a form that will allow people in the front end to submit their testimonials, and this CRED form will be connected with will feed the types custom post types. And then finally, with the views plugin, I will show the actual testimonial listing in the front end. Let's start. First of all, we need to create a custom post type with the types plugin. So we just add the custom post type, and we call this custom post type customer feedback. You can call it as you prefer, just feedback. Or maybe you can say just testimonial singular, and then the slag required. So it's better to be consistent, call testimonials plural the main name. Slag, we can call this just feedback. For the information we need are simply just the what kind of field we need, just the title and the editor are more than enough for the testimonial submission form. So we can just save this custom post type. Okay, and then we need just add a custom field that we'll call, let's say, two fields actually. Let's call this custom field group just testimonial details, and we need tell to this we need attach this custom fields to the post type of testimonials. Okay, and after that we can create the fields we need. In this case I think that we can just use a name and name field, or better, because we can use the title as a name field, we can just use two fields, one for the website and one for the company name. So we can select just a single line fields that we call company. and another one. We can select this one, or maybe let's cancel this. We can select this URL where people can submit their website. I can do the example based on what my activity as a web designer. So I ask my clients to submit their testimonials, and then also I ask them to put the website that I built for them actually. So website, let's make this required field. So we have two fields now that we attached to the custom post type testimonials. Just to show you, we should be able to see the testimonials custom post type at the bottom of this editing area. If we add new testimonials, we should see the title here, the body area, the editing area, and then the two custom fields, company and website. This part will be actually filled by the CRED form that I'm going to create for you right now. We are in the CRED form section. We click add new. The title is, we can say, submit your comment. You click next. And now we should choose one of these two options, create content or edit content. In this case it's a create content because the testimonials will add new content. Choose what to do after visitors submit this form. We have different options. We can just say display a message instead of the form. That can be like this one. Thank you for submitting your comment. Have a nice day. And hopefully maybe they submit the comment during the day and not in the night, during the night. After that we can just click next. Post type setting. Choose the type of content this form will create or modify. We'll create a new testimonial, so we attach this CRED form to the testimonial custom post type. Select the status of the content created by this form. Okay, can be a good idea to just have the pending review status submitted instead of the published, because the administrator of the website can just have review the comment and then decide if publish or not. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we'll select published status, and then we click next. And now we build the actual form. So we need to click just to add post fields, because we are going to just select the fields that come from the custom post types testimonials. So we go here. First of all, we need to select the standard post field. The standard post field are the title, So the testimonial name, that is the title of testimonial. We say OK, and then the testimonial description, that is the actual content area. And then, if you remember, we have another two custom fields to select. So we go back here, we go to custom fields and select the company. And the website. Okay. I put just some very simple HTML to make sure that the fields will be each one in his own line. So just a breaking line tag. Another one. Maybe you don't need here, but put another one too. After this job, we say next. Okay, in this case, no, we don't add any notification. We just say finish, and then this form is now ready. And when the form is ready, we need to display this form in our website, and I'm going to do the job right now. I go to the pages section. Just a second, check everything is okay, just make sure everything is updated. Get the confirmation. Okay, form was success. Okay, saved. English is my second language. Right, pages, all pages. As you see, there are two pages: testimonials, that will display all listing of the submitted comment, and leave your comment, where we are going to display the form that the customer, or where our very happy clients will submit their testimonial. It is a quite easy job, because when you are in the body area, you just click on CRED forms and select new content form, submit your content, insert shortcode, update the page, and then wait for the update page confirmation. Okay, and then let's see the page. Should hopefully display the form. Okay, this is typical. There is some kind of problem. The form is not visible. I have to stop one moment the screencast and find out why. Stay tuned, wait a minute. I am back, and then find out the issue, what I did wrongly, and then I show you now the right way to do this, to build this front end form with CRED. As you see, we have the title field, your name, the body, your comment, company, and website. Let's go back to the backend to show you the actual form and what I did wrong. Actually, many things. So I apologize. When I created the form, I just submitted the fields from this section, but I had to create also the opening shortcode for the CRED form and the closing shortcode, and also the submit button. you can select all this tag or short code from the auto generate. No, sorry, it's not this one, it's actually this one, where you select the form container, the form submit. Okay, don't worry about this, just these two. Just show you to show you again in this white space. If I go here, form container, you see the opening short code and the closing short code, and inside you put your actual fields that you get from this add post field section. In the meantime, I have also put some very basic HTML to give a definition for the description for each field. Okay, let me just delete this, we don't need anymore. So if we go back to the front end, this is the form that the internet visitor ready to submit a fantastic company comment about your company. This is the form they will fill. And just to show you how it works, I do just one submission in front of you. I put my name is Roberto, my comment, let's grab some dummy comment here, my company, Ciao Web, and my website www.ciaweb.co.uk. I submit my comment, and then I get this thank you from the CRED form. Let's say thank you confirmation or notification. Let's go back to the backend now. Now we have is the time to use the Views plugin to display in the front end all the testimonial submitted by your customers. Actually, we are going to work in this page, the Testimonials page. In the backend, I show you also how the custom post type now has been populated by some submission. This is the listing. This is the one I did in front of you. If we go to edit, you will find that the CRED form has actually filled the title area of the custom post type, the content area, and the two custom fields, company and website. I have also submitted two obviously fake testimonials from very famous people. Okay, let's go to use views now. We go to the views section in the backend, and we create our view that will display all the testimonial listing. So we need display all results. We can name this view like testimonials listing. Testimonial list, create view. Okay, and now we need tell view what kind of content to grab. So the post type testimonials, and we leave all this setting as it is. We don't need to make any modification. Post date, that means that the newest testimonial will be always on top, no limit, but anytime you can come here and you can modify. You can, if you can start getting many testimonials, you can also create pagination or filter these testimonials. Let's go here in this section, and then we need to just insert the fields that we are going to get from the fields section in between these two tags, the WPV loop starting tag and the WPV loop closing tag. Inside this loop, we are going to insert the fields we need to display all the testimonials. So we click on testimonials, and then we need just grab the title, that is actually the name, but maybe in this case, let's just delete this. I prefer to show first the testimonials, so we need to select the actual body first. Let's put just a breaking line to create a block, and after that we put the name. Let me think about the name underneath the comment. Yes, we can put the name under the actual comment, so we call the title, that is actually the name, and then we call the company, that is in the custom fields, testimonial details here. Insert shortcode, and now we select also the website here. I think we can just leave everything as it is. Maybe that we can select the target blank, in a way when people will click on the website, we'll open a new tab, leaving your website page open. Right, I think the job is done, and we need just, maybe we can put the title wrapped with a, make it bold with a strong tag. Okay, I think this is wrong. This is okay. We update, and then we have created this view now. So like I did before for the CRED front-end form, I go again to the page section, I go to the testimonials page where we are going to list all testimonials, and then I need just select the views that I just created, that is the testimonial listing. I update, and then now, finger crossed, we should get the testimonial page listing all submission. So we should see my submission under my name Roberto, and then Bill Gates and Steve Jobs. Let's go to see the page. I think obviously you see the listing, it works. Okay, with some CSS HTML styling, you can also create some padding margin to create separation between. You can put graphics, you can put separation divider, you can do what you want. But what is important for me to show is that this testimonial page or listing page is actually working. Before I finish my this video tutorial, I just show you again one actual submission in front of you. I put a name like Bill, sorry, I don't like this all all capital, just this way, Bill Jones. Some dummy content, copy. Okay, company IBM, website www.ibm.com. Submit, because if you remember, The status I choose is to publish immediately the testimonial. So if I click the testimonial listing page, I should see this comment from Bill Jones at the top. Let's see. Bill Jones is here. This is the comment. Okay. All right. Before finishing this tutorial, I just recap what I did to create this testimonial section in your WordPress website. I use 3 plugins that are part of the Toolset Plugins. This is a set of plugins that I use every day in my activity as WordPress designer. I found these plugins very powerful. I'm so happy using these plugins. So I created simple custom post types testimonial with the types plugin. That is a free plugin that you can download in the WordPress repository. And then I created the CRED form that actually create one front-end testimonial form where you can send your customers, where they can submit the testimonials. This front-end form feed a custom post type testimonials in the backend. That is this one, and then I'm going to show you the listing. Okay, and then finally with the views plugins, I created the front-end, this front-end page, where that is a testimonial page where all the submission from your customers will be displayed. I really hope that you found this tutorial interesting and useful for your website. Maybe you can do something similar if you like. And then thank you very much for your attention, and see you next time.